good people, welcome back to my video. And if you're new here, my name is Dominica. I'm a lover of fashion, beauty and lifestyle, and my goal is to make sure that you leave feeling beautiful and confident whenever you click on the video. So in today's video, we're going to continue with our series. If you have not watched the first series, head over there right here. It's called the Style Edit. And the goal for this series is to show you that you can style a piece in your closet in 3 different ways minimum. So whenever you buy a piece and you're wondering, how can I style this piece? How many ways can I style this piece? Always make sure that you can style that piece in 3 different ways. So this is episode 2 of the Style Edit. Let's jump into it. All right, now babes, you have that blazer in your closet, right? That blazer in your closet that you're trying to figure out how, in what ways you can wear it, or you're trying to purchase this blazer that I'm showing you, whichever one, or a blazer, and you're figuring out, how can I wear this blazer? All right, babes, I got you. Let me show you 3 minimum ways that you can wear that blazer in your closet, or the blazer you're about to buy, or however it is, whatever it is in your closet that you think and be like, oh, I can do this like this. Okay, so style number 1, this blazer. First of all, I got it from ASOS, and before I got it, I told myself, how can I wear this blazer in 3 different ways minimum? I say minimum, okay, because there's so many ways you can wear this blazer, endless. Okay, but how can I style these blazers in 3 different ways? And what is in my closet that I can pair with this blazer, or I can complement this blazer? All right, because I'm not just going to buy the blazer just a standalone piece and it's looking at me, I'm looking at it. So how am I going to style this blazer? Now the first one, and if you don't know, now you know. We are children of God. So this day I was heading to church, but after thinking about it again, I'm like, I'll probably do something different to wear it for church because that cleavage was too much for me. But the idea was to wear it for church, but let's scratch that. Okay, you can wear these feet brunch, lunch, run errands, whichever one, corporates, however you want to wear it. But I paired it with this beautiful sexy satin skirt that I got from Fashion Nova, and it's lace, you know, the how do you call it? Do you know the what is it? Oh, tell me. The fashion trend where you have the lace top, the lace skirt, the lace this, the lace that. So I got this lace skirt from Fashion Nova. I was eyeing one that was in Zara, and baby, that price, no joke, no, $100 for a skirt. I mean, if I had the money, of course I would purchase it, and if you have the money, of course go ahead and purchase it, but I'm on a budget right now, so that one will do. And you see that skirt? Best believe me, I'm about to bring you a part 2 on how I'm going to style that skirt in 3 different ways. But let's not rush. Let's come back to where we are, the blazer, right? So that blazer, I'll pair it with this satin skirt, and it's giving chef kiss. Like, tell me. And then the shoes, if you checked my previous video, you've seen that shoe as well. That's why I tell you, my closet, I can shop in my closet every other day. Now that I'm bringing this series, my brain is on, like, you know what I'm saying? So that shoe, I paired it with that shoe, sling bag, sexy from Steve Madden, and just my little tiny Coach purse, and I'm good to go. Like, tell me what you think. From 1 to 10, how will you rate this outfit? Beautiful, right? Yeah. All right, moving on. I'm having so much fun with this series, okay? I'm too excited for this series, I don't know. But hopefully you're as excited as I am. If you are, click that subscribe button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And share to your babe, your sister, your auntie, anybody that you think will benefit from this video. It goes a long way. Thank you. Now, outfit number 2. This is my favorite, okay? This one's my first favorite, okay? Because all of them, I love them, but this is the first one, all right? So this second look, this is how I actually went to church. Yeah. This is how I actually went to church, because I had to, you know, I told you that cleavage, I wanted to wear with that satin skirt though, but that cleavage was just doing too much for me. So I dressed it down for me. For me, I believe this is a dress down look. Okay, even though it has some pumps, but the straight leg pants, I got it from Primark. Primark is here now in Dallas. I don't know where. I think it's in Grapevine, Texas. That's where I got it from. I've worn these pants over and over again. It's just a straight leg black jeans, nothing special about it, but I just love it. And then I paired it up with this white tank that I got from Old Navy. Simple, cute. I opened the blazer, dressed it a little bit up. I think I dressed it up a little bit because if you wear sneakers, you can wear sneakers with it too. If you wear sneakers with it, that's dressing it down. But since I wore heels, I would say I dressed it up a little bit. But the heel is a kitten heel, so it's cool. It's like elevated, cool. But if I wore something like a big chunky heel or very high heel, it will actually really elevate the look. You get? Yeah. So this I wore when I went to church, and I felt cute and confident and, you know, sexy and all the rest without doing too much. You understand? Yeah. Now let's head over to our last look. And this look, this I'm actually wearing for dinner. Like, if you have any dinner dates somewhere and you don't know who to go with, invite me, I'll come dressed like this. It's really simple, I would say, but just the little silhouette of the pants. And this pants is from Zara. It's, you know, those ballerina pants that has the, you know what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about? Yes. So that's what is giving the look a little bit of, you know, and with my clutch and my little pointy toe. And that shoe too is from Zara. Very nice, very demure, very classy, very sexy. And, you know, I'm not doing too much, but I'm also, yeah. I love it. And that's it. That's all the looks. Look number 1, look number 2, look number 3. And I can style this blazer again in many ways. I'll just give you one inspo again how you can style the blazer right here. Thank me later, because, yeah. If you've been watching this video this far and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? You see, I thought you would have a good time over here. So please hit that subscribe button. Thank you. And we've come to the end of our style edit portion of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for commenting. And thank you so much again for everything. I will never stop to thank you. Thank you. And I'll see you in our next video of style edit. Bye. Oh, and by the way, the problem is I really do not know when to release these videos, because I really wanted the series to be like something that you anticipate for, like, okay, what is Dominica going to bring? I don't know. Just help me, but we're on the fly. And by the way, you see this look, this outfit? If you're not following me, you see that's my son, excuse the noise. If you're not following me on my IG page, you're missing out, because you see this look, I got to go. But you see this look, go and like.